Hello everyone, this is your Anshika ma'am. I hope you all are enjoying our video. Now we came with our new video of words. In this video, we will learn about words name in English, Hindi and Sanskrit. So enjoy this video and learn with us. Words name are hen, pigeon, swan, peacock, parrot, duck, cuckoo, crow, manna, crane, owl, sparrow and heron. First is hen. We called hen in English. In Hindi, murgi. In Sanskrit, kukutaha. Next is pigeon. Pigeon in English. In Hindi, kabutar. In Sanskrit, kapotaha. Next is swan. In English, swan. In Hindi, hans. In Sanskrit, hansaha. Next is peacock. In English, peacock. In Hindi, moor. In Sanskrit, mayuraha. Next is parrot. In English, parrot. In Hindi, tota. In Sanskrit, shukka. Next is duck. In English, duck. In Hindi, batak. In Sanskrit, batrakaha. Next is cuckoo. In English, koyal. In Hindi, kokilaha. In Sanskrit. Next is crow. In English, crow. In Hindi, kawa. In Sanskrit, kakaha. Next is crane. In English, crane. In Hindi, saras. In Sanskrit, sarasaha. Next is owl. In English, owl. In Hindi, ullu. In Sanskrit, ullukaha. Next is sparrow. In English, sparrow. In Hindi, goraya. In Sanskrit, chatka. Next is heron. In English, heron. In Hindi, bagula. In Sanskrit, vakraha. Next is manna. In English, manna. In Hindi, मैना. In Sanskrit, sarika. Thank you so much. If you like this video, do comments, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe V classes.